Artificial intelligence, AI, and customer master data.
AI enhances efficiency, but the human touch remains crucial for delivering exceptional customer experiences.
You should balance your AI-based solutions with a level of human interactions. Do this in order to address customer concerns over faceless service. Organizations that focus on human-centered AI design find that this supports and amplifies human capabilities in customer service. Automating routine tasks with AI means you can potentially free up human agents for complex issues requiring an empathic touch. In fact, 77% of customers say a positive experience includes a traditional human touch. If you adopt AI with customer data, you should disclose AI usage and provide options for human support to maintain customer trust. Human agents build brand relationships and trust. People are better positioned to address nuanced concerns with empathy. They do it better with good quality data. A personalized, responsive AI-driven experience also holds the potential to enhance customer loyalty and satisfaction. For high-stakes issues, focus on data-driven human intervention, actions that are crucial for effective resolution. Future-ready your customer data management by prioritizing customer data trust, security, and compliance. Learn more at www.pretectum.com.